Hello, my name is Miriam, and I am a writer and a Christian. But I've discovered that a lot of so-called Christian writing actually is not very Christian. Much of it could be written by a virtuous non-Christian. So I've struggled. What is Christian writing? And I've come up with 7 themes that I use to frame my articles and my chapters. And I try to immerse my writing in these themes and hope that something will bubble up that will enrich them and make them more substantially Christian. So, what are these themes? First, humans are sinners. Corruption, betrayal, pollution. But second, humans are also in the image of God, creative, capable of great nobility. And third, there is mystery in our lives. There's a lot we don't know. The Bible talks about mystery, and so we have to be humble. But fourth, one thing we do know is that God does not leave us alone in our struggles. God came close to us, took on human form, experienced our pain to the point of dying. But 5, he didn't stay dead. He exploded out of death because God is God. And so that's the 5th theme. God overwhelms evil. And in exploding out, he generated power for a new level of life and empowers people to live like Jesus, sacrificially serving other people. And that's the 6th theme, pointing to the 7th theme, which is there is a future. This world is not all that there is. There is something more, and we have the privilege of inviting people to that future. So I immerse my writing in these 7 themes, and then I try to see if any of them will add richness to what I'm saying. I have a friend named Hector who's Guatemalan, and he also was struggling with this. He was writing an article on good communication in marriage. His wife had a car wreck, and he wrote about how he talked with her, treating her with respect as they discussed what to do about this car, which was totally wrecked. And he talked about the style that he used in talking with her, treating her with respect. Now, a non-Christian could also do that, write about that. But Hector could talk about why he treated his wife with respect, because she was made in the image of God, and how he got the power to forgive her, because God had forgiven him. And so great Christian themes were coming into his writing about how to communicate with his wife. Hector wants to write as a Christian, and I want to write as a Christian with truth that is substantial, profound, rich, because I am a writer and a Christian.